What if I told you that 3 simple ingredients, lemon, ginger, and beetroot, could boost your energy, detox your body, and supercharge your immune system? Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because in the next few minutes I'll show you how this power trio can transform your health and how to use them in the most delicious way. If you want to boost your energy, improve your health, and impress your friends with a refreshing drink, stick around because you won't want to miss this. Let's start with our star ingredients. First up, we have ginger. This amazing root has been used for thousands of years in cooking and medicine. It's known for its spicy flavor and numerous health benefits. Ginger can help with nausea, improve digestion, and reduce inflammation. Next, we have lemon. This bright yellow fruit is not only a great source of vitamin C, but its refreshing taste can liven up any dish or drink. Lemon is also known to help detoxify the body, boost your immune system, and even improve skin health. Plus, it adds a zesty kick that perfectly complements our drink. And finally, we have beetroot. This beautiful, deep red root vegetable is full of antioxidants and essential nutrients. Beetroot can help improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and even enhance athletic performance. Its natural sweetness will add a delicious flavor to our drink, making it not only healthy, but also tasty. First, let's prepare our ingredients. Next, we'll deal with the ginger. Peel the ginger, then chop it into smaller pieces. Ginger can be quite spicy, so adjust the amount based on your preference. Now, let's juice the lemon. Cut it in half and use a juicer or just squeeze it by hand into a bowl. With everything prepared, it's time to blend. Add the chopped beetroot, ginger, lemon juice, and 2 cups of water into a blender. If you prefer a sweeter drink, add a teaspoon of honey. Blend everything on high speed for about 30 seconds until it's smooth and combined. Now that everything is blended, strain it. A vibrant, healthy drink that's ready to enjoy. Pour your drink into a glass, and if you want to get fancy, you can garnish it with a slice of lemon. It not only looks great, but adds a refreshing aroma as well. Now, let's talk about why this drink is so amazing for your health. First, ginger is well known for its ability to reduce nausea, especially during travel or morning sickness. It's also great for digestion and can help relieve bloating. Plus, ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can ease joint pain and muscle soreness. Next, lemon is a fantastic source of vitamin C, which supports your immune system and helps your body fight off colds and infections. It also aids in digestion and can help balance your body's pH levels. Drinking lemon water can also be good for your skin, as it helps to detoxify and may reduce blemishes. And let's not forget beetroot. The antioxidants in beetroot help fight free radicals in the body, which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It's also known for its ability to improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Athletes love beetroot juice because it can enhance stamina and performance during workouts. Combining these 3 ingredients creates a drink that not only tastes amazing, but also provides a host of health benefits. Now it's your turn. Have you tried using ginger, lemon, and beetroot together before? What's your favorite way to use these ingredients? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes and healthy tips. We love hearing from you, and your suggestions inspire our future videos.